Go to Search and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it. Scroll down and you can see Virtual Machine Platform. Enable this option. Is the component that enables virtualization support to run virtual machines. Now go to any browser and type VMware download, or you can download from the below description, download link 1. VMware Workstation is system virtualization and cloud computing. VMware's software allows users to create multiple virtual environments or virtual computer systems on a single computer or server. For setting up multiple computer or server systems without having to purchase separate hardware for each of them. After downloading the VMware Workstation, now we want to install our computer. You can install other operating systems in the VMware Workstation. Windows, Linux, Unix, Ubuntu, and many more. Our VMware Workstation machine is already installed on our computer. Again, go to any browser, copy and paste download link 2. Scroll down. You can see the Unlocker zip file and download this. After downloading, go to the download folder and make it unzip. This is the configuration script. We want to run as administrator our computer. They will take a few minutes, just wait. Go to any browser. Copy and paste the download link 3. The Big Sur image file is longer, they will take more than 20 minutes. Depend on your internet connection and your computer hardware. Now we open VMware and create a new virtual machine. We want the go-to option, Installer Disk Image File, and select our Big Sur image file. Mac operating system heavy than Windows. System requirements for macOS Big Sur need a good machine. Memory space, 4 GB of memory and storage of 44 GB. I give 100 GB storage. Open the customized hardware. I give 8 GB of RAM. And my computer CPU has 10 cores, so I give the processor 4 cores. Already done our virtual machine settings. Now we want to install Big Sur macOS. Installation takes more than 30 minutes. Depend on your computer hardware. We need to format the storage space for the macOS file system. You can give any name. And continue. Already done format. Select our Big Sur macOS and continue. Accept agreement. Select the disk to install. Start to installation. Just take a coffee and wait until the complete installation is done. After complete installation, now we want to set up our Mac new machine. Like, share, follow my Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, IT Support Pro. I will make more technical videos something like this. You can set up it like your real MacBook. I just set up default settings. Finally, we can see our MacBook operating system. And we no need disk file. Our VMware screen size is small. We are not satisfied. For making the full screen size, need to install some VMware tools. The link below is the description. Download link 4. After downloading VMware tools, and we want to install them on the VMware machine. They take a moment. Give download permission. We don't want to restart now. We want to restart our VMware machine. After restart our VMware machine, minimize the screen and open the full screen. Wow! Now our VMware machine is full screen. We can use it like our normal MacBook. We can browse anything, watch YouTube, and research.